Hi guys, today we are traveling to this is from the Phu Quoc to Bangkok, and the main airport Asia flight number Q1258, and it's supposed to be 1:30 flight, and we are checking around almost 2 o'clock. It's almost 30-minute delay, but let's see how's the flight going, and then how long take time flight, and what are this flight experience for you review. Alright, I'm gonna send all the full review on this flight, and what other things are available in this flight. Like example, it's showing here they got the free Wi-Fi. So this is like let's say they got free Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi plus all the facilities around here. So you need to scan this one, and once you scan you will get the free Wi-Fi. But I haven't tried this all so far. I didn't get any Wi-Fi range yet. So let's see, later I will contact with the hostess and get the Wi-Fi connections. Right, this is the check-in way, and you can see all the way people around here, the fully flights, and then this one way people are checking here. Looks flight full. Let's see the next. This is the weather from the outside. It's good sunny weather.
To unfasten, lift the metal flap.
หากเกิดการเปลี่ยนแปลงของความดันอากาศหน้ากากออกซิเจนบนแผงเหนือศีรษะของท่านจะตกลงมาโดยอัตโนมัติดึงหน้ากากลงมาครอบหน้ากากไว้บริเวณจมูกและปากสวมใส่รัดรอบศีรษะแล้วหายใจตามปกติ
Should an oxygen mask like this automatically drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with a headband tightly around your head and breathe normally.
สวมหน้ากากให้ตัวเองก่อนแล้วจึงสวมให้ผู้ที่อยู่ภายใต้ความดูแลของท่าน
Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care.
เสื้อชูชีพอยู่ใต้the guys Bangkok Dongmyung Airport arrivals, and we are going to the arrival lobby. So let's see some people around. Hopefully we get the quick checkout without immigration like a long way. It
was good flight and no any bumpy, nothing but good. No any turbulence. Nice flight. Thank you, Asia. So we came from around 15. Now it's time. Once landing, just only came here. And this is the time now. Let's see. Toilet there. Airport looks clean and nice. It's almost like Kuala Lumpur Airport, similar style. And this is all the visa, transit, arrival area. When you reach here. This area, Wellington. Right, this is from the only Phu Quoc flights. So you can get the on this area. You will see the domestic arrival and international arrival both here. So this is the two lines. You can change. So this is the vacation area. And this is the outside, that side, the flight we came over there. Very beautiful sunny weather. Still keep going. Yeah, it's almost 4 o'clock. So I need to go to the Sukhumvit stake, I think, around 40 minutes to maybe I will take MRT or I will order Boots taxi. Let's see what are the possibilities. Let me try. Alright, from here I cannot take any video. It's an immigration area. Thai passports, so they go here. All the Thai passports. And then foreign passport you have a different line. So you need to go this way. Alright, from here I cannot video. Run. So from there you get the quick checkout, easy, just like a visa, only like within 30 seconds, boom, very fast. And I really love it because I'm Sri Lankan passport, and when I go some places I have to wait a long time. So I really like the Thailand airport and immigration. I respect that and easy. Really appreciate. So waiting for the luggage around here. I need to check the Phu Quoc flight. So I came with this flight from Phu Quoc, and this is the flights. So waiting for the luggage. Climbing open now. So hopefully everything will be easier, smoother, faster. Let's see. All right. Luggage clearance will be here done quickly. So this is the guys, once you reach the immigration pass and you get the display out, and you can book the Grab or Bolt. There's a taxi service and all the taxis will be reaching here, and you can take all the way any taxi you like. So this is the best way to get out, and I'm gonna go by the Bolt. It's cost around $16 from here because I want to quickly go to the hotel and then I have to go some shopping. So that's the reason I booked the Bolt taxi service. There's a many taxi service from DMK to, if you go to the Sukhumvit, the center area, maximum $20 to $16 between. You can book, depend on the seat available car, like a 4-seater or 7-seater. So this is the price average you can get. Alright guys, while I am on the way to the hotel, I'm going to show you more things. Alright, see you there. Yeah.